boats on the scene. It's got you screaming Oxy Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxy Marine. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxy Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxy Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC cuts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water, shit. Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-driving, bright colors and all. So when you hear it on the water, man, you know they grip. The ESC motors, props, it's lit. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxy Marine, no questions, that's it. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxy Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxy Marine, yeah.
What is that boat?
This is the Dominator.
Feeling it.
I'll get another one right now.